This Humboldt County gem 19 miles north of Eureka is the textbook example of a Northern California beach. The forest practically meets the water. The sand is the color of an old pair of dockers. The winding coast is decorated with tall rocks, some even topped by trees, eroded into sculptures and strewn with driftwood that visitors often assemble into temporary structures. There are far fewer people to fight for blanket space and even fewer that brave the frigid water for a swim. Mornings are misty, wildlife thrives, kayaking is recommended, and seemingly everyone has a dog. It is stunning, romantic, secluded, and inspires contemplation and long walks. Pro tip: the ideal time to visit is in the spring when the high bluffs are painted with wildflowers and during low tide on a sunny day as it creates a glassy reflection of the sky and clouds.